So if you had told me a year ago that I would be living on a bus, I would not have believed you. Alright, so we are going to where? Harbor Freight?
Yep, Harbor Freight.
Harbor Freight to get a wire something?
Yep.
A wire what?
Wire wheel.
A wire wheel to get all the rust off of the bottom of the bus. And we might get paint stripper, but that's it for now. Here we are. Come on inside. Aww. They're playing Christian music. Go Jesus. It's a lot smaller than Lowe's. That's for sure. What are we looking for? The wire thingy?
Wire wheel.
Okay, it's probably in this section. I see brushes. Oh. Yeah, these look promising. What's the price? $6.
What's the difference?
We can do that.
So $5, that's not bad.
Which one is it? Okay. So we also need a chisel set for our hammer drill. He has the bit set right there, but we need the actual chisel. So we got it.
Yep.
Alright, so we found our chisel set, we found our wire brush that we needed, and now we're just walking around, and Alphonse is making sure that we aren't missing anything, which I very much appreciate, because I do not want to make more trips than we have to. Ooh! Okay, so he just picked up 6-function mini clamp meter, and what is it for?
It does the wires, just figure out what has power.
For all the electrical stuff?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, on our way to paint stripper. Because what are we going to need to strip?
All that metal paneling we're taking off.
Oh.
'Cause we gotta, before we can put new paint on it, we gotta get it clean.
Yeah. Okay. Well, hopefully we find it. Well, they didn't have paint strippers, so we'll just have to get that somewhere else. But maybe Home Depot, because we have a $100 gift card that we have to use. So now, on to the checkout line. Yay! We got our shopping trip. Now we're on to do more work.
Yep.
Stay tuned. Alright, we just got back from Harbor Freight. We have the puppies here with us today. And we ended up moving Penny's leash so she would stop howling and barking. Alright, babe, you want to explain what we're doing today?
Cleaning?
Cleaning?
Is the one thing. So everything that's in here we have to take back out.
Yep.
And then, yeah, we get the rest of the floor up, try to knock some rivets out. That's about it.
Go team!
Yeah.
So we're finally going to be able to fix the gas pump.
Gas hose.
Or the hose, sorry. And, so we'll be able to do that, and hopefully getting gas won't be nearly as much of an issue. Okay, so what we figured out is that it's just gonna be, basically the hose, the gas cap should be like over there because this hose is curving, but I guess the previous owner just didn't want to, you know, because it's a little difficult.
Oh my god.
So what we're gonna have to do is we'll have to open up this panel of wall and then cut a hole, put the gas there, the gas pump thing, and just move it. So hopefully it gets better. Woohoo! Alphonse just got out that huge piece. So now the floor is a lot more empty. Yay! Right now, Alphonse is doing the rust inhibitor. I'm not going to get too close because I don't want to inhale it. That's to prevent rust from coming back. Alright, so a summary for this weekend. So we got part of this base wall out. Same for that side. We're going to work with the fuel hose later. And Alphonse, I'm so proud of him. Got a lot of the floor off. So we really just have this strip left to do of the flooring. And after we got all the walls, see all those rivets? Oh joy. But yeah, we actually installed these little lights. And I also took out that dang shelf that was going from here to here. I kept bonking my head on. So I was able to do that. Yay me! But that concludes our weekend. Alright, say bye to Blue Belle. We are done for the weekend. We got a lot done. So here is to going home and resting.